Open Microsoft Edge. Once you open Microsoft Edge, you go xbox.com. Let's go Xbox website. Click on sign in. Let's click on sign in to bring this over. And sign in. Once you don't bring this stuff like this, supposed to protect your account, then you click on this box. Then you put xbox.com again. Xbox.com. After clicking on putting xbox.com, you click on this profile place again up here. After clicking on the profile again, you will click on sign in again. After clicking on the sign in to bring it like this, and you open another browser, another tab, then go to outlook.live, and it will sign in. This is a of login. See, it's like that.